This is my review on my new Eureka canister bagless vacuum I just got today. I'm replacing a 10 plus years old Bissell Zing dustless bagless canister, and this Eureka comes with a lot of attachments. It's got your crevice tool, your little upholstery brush, and it also comes with a power turbo brush, and it has your dusting brush on here, and to use this, it's got these two little buttons. You push them in and it slides down so you never lose your brush. I thought that was pretty neat. And it is super quiet. You just push the button to turn it on. That's on the low. That's all the way on high, and it's nowhere near as noisy as my old vacuum. Watch how easy it sucks up this dog hair. It just sucks that dog hair up to ease. Super easy. But that's my review on this new little Eureka vacuum. I think it's a pretty good little deal for $115.